welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Ackee. Now, just as I was saying, we're not hearing the stories about 6 people getting wet up one time, 7 people, 9 people. Like last year, the community of Ackee, or at least the vicinity, decided that they were going to deliver those numbers. Because on Mullines Road, right in front of the community, as I said, named Ackee, 8 people got wet up, right, last night, one time. And so far, 3 people have passed away. Right, the 3 people have been identified as 33-year-old Omar Morris, 45-year-old bus driver named Everroy Hibbert, and an 18-year-old Adonais Hibbert. Fair to assume that the 2 are probably related, but you never know. Now, people, there are 5 other people who are currently being treated for wounds. We don't know if they're going to pull through, right? But I want you to understand something. When you look at the location, I don't know if people know Mullines Road, right? If you're from Kingston, then you must be familiar with Mullines Road, right? Even if you don't know the community named Ackee, you must probably be aware of Mullines Road and how Mullines Road is set up. Open, traffic is constantly flowing through it. You have businesses all over the place. You have people coming and going from school, from work, etc. Mullines Road is no place to pull off a stunt like this. Except nowadays, as I said yesterday in the Texaco video, the video about the young man who lost his life at Texaco, 87s don't care, right? See, one time, people, the only places you see something like this going down is deep within the community. So the man them used to, for example, go into the community, right? So, for example, them that go in a Granville, or them that go in a Marchpen Road, or them that go in a Rema way back in the day when Rema and Jungle are for them thing, right? That is how these things would happen. They would not happen on the main streets. They would not happen on public thoroughfares, right? The man them would go deep in the community because them can do the model and then get away, and then only people in the community will see what happened, and then the people in the community now go talk because they're afraid for their life, right? Or they support the criminals, right? Either, right? So back then, that is how things used to work. But nowadays, these men are so confident that nothing now come out of it. They're not going to buck up in a police, they're not going to buck up in a JDF, and even after them don't carry out the act, they're confident. So even if them get catch and carrying for questioning, them are going to bust the case. We've seen what happens in Kings Valley. We've seen what happened with the UChense Wilson, right? As I said, Tesha Miller, we know all film case already, and we know why him get bust or why him get bite, right? But if you have people who are in the gang itself, I tell us say we used to do this, and that man over here to do this, and them still a walk out on a no case submission, that shows you how confident that criminals in Jamaica are, and those things make criminals get more emboldened. Because man sit down and watch the news, and them here say a man who is a part of Kings Valley, right? A man who the community of Grangeville come out and talk, say yes, everything that the witness say are true. I saw Tupac used to stay, I saw Elder used to stay, right? I saw Ratty used to stay, and then people say the Kings Valley man them still bust the case. When other 87s see things like that, and them see things like Aguana UChense Wilson, they think to themselves, well, what's the worst that can happen? Even if me get catch, me still go bust the case. Even if somebody who go up on the work with me right now, even if somebody who there in the car with me right now decide to turn for me down the road in a court, me can still bust the case. That is how confident criminals in Jamaica are. This is why you're seeing them going around wetting up 6, 7, 8 people one time, right? Because they are confident that they're going to get away in one way, shape, or form, right? Now, you probably, the first time most people would have heard about Ackee would have probably been in music, right? Because it wasn't really a place that you used to hear a lot about back in the day. Then they'd always have them troubles, but in terms of the public a lot of people didn't really hear the name Ackee Walk, right? Until recently, when a DJ, the DJ Alkaline, I think he's from the community or at least close by it. I think he's from Marvally, right? But you know those communities they're like on one stretch of road coming off Mullines Road, right? So Ackee Walk clearly decides they're going to flare up with people. I want them to understand what's going on over there. It's been a while since things are going on in that community or in that stretch. It's not just Ackee Walk. No foolishness are going on. From Marvally to Ackee Walk to Common Sense, all of them places there. No fucking foolishness are going on, right? And one of the things that triggered the tension over there is, of course, as usual, who forget extortion money, right? Because remember, one of the things people claim is, oh, as soon as get the youth start making money, then everything alright, right? Because money are the cure, money are the antidote for crime. Well, again, we've proven that wrong. Because as soon as the extortion things start blow up, come on, and Ackee Walk kick off, right? And then man start drop left, right and center. Because people with the wrong culture and the wrong mentality and low IQ cannot coexist, right? They cannot. This is an old school days when they have certain criminal organizations that were full of men who were smart, who could say, alright, here we go work it out. You are from right so to right so, and you make all the money you want to make from right so. Me are from right so to right so, and me make all the money me want to make right so. The 87s don't have that kind of reasoning or logic. They might tell you say they want the whole thing and you can't give them no chat. And some people not going to accept that, right? And of course, we think they're going to go down to the small claims court to settle one dispute. You think they're going to go down to the family court to hash it out? No, they're going to take it to the streets, right? So Common and Ackee Walk has been at it for a while. That whole stretch, a lot of those communities off Mullines Road have been at it for a while, right? Now I don't know if it's related to this incident, right? So let me put that out there. I don't know if it's because of this ongoing feud over the extortion money why this happened, right? But there has been people getting taken out left, right and center sake of that dispute, right? And the fact that the man them pull up in a scenario like this, it shows me they wanted to send a message because they were firing indiscriminately, right? It's not like they were trained the marksman going out there. The man them pull up, right? Apparently it was 2 car load of them, right? And you can imagine if 8 people get wet up, you know the amount of shot off a fire. If 8 people get wet up, because you know 87s can't shoot already, right? Unless those people were standing huddled in a group, right? That's the only way them no fire less than 100 rounds out there. Because if 8 people get wet up, you know it's a whole heap of shot off a fire. A whole heap, right? And then to not only carry out the act, but then forget way by the time police could have respond, right? Again, shows you how sloppy things are. So you know what we're going on now. People are going to start ball for SOE. A matter of fact, somebody can correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know if anybody is from the community, but is there some kind of special Zozo over there? Because I imagine people are not going to say, listen, we're going to need a Zozo. Even if there's an SOE. Because people don't understand, you know. When you actually drive through these communities under SOE, you know, people, I want you to realize something. Don't get fooled by the title of SOE, right? Because it's not like the whole place locked down, right? You might find a street or so and a street or so, but that's about it. The resources are scarce, the resources are limited, right? The JDF police can't lock down everywhere, right? That's the reality of the situation, right? So the man them know which part of the police base them there, them know which part of the checkpoint them there, right? So them can still do what them want, right? So as I said, if somebody from that community can tell me if them have no special Zozo are going when Ackee Walk and Common. Because the reason I'm asking is because the feud has been ongoing. See, it's one thing when it just pop up out of nowhere, you know, like an overnight dispute, and then something like this go on, right? Then you say, oh well, alright, now we have to start put steps in place. No, Ackee Walk has been tense for a while. Off Mullines Road has been tense for a while. Marvally Common and place there has been tense for a while, right? So, of course, I know police can't everywhere, every time, but people are going to be balling out, say, oh, where's the protection? And they're going to be entitled to ask protection because when a man or when a group of men feel so confident to pull up, right, and wet up 8 people, and then go back at them yard confidently. People, it's not a good look. But here we are, February the 5th, right? February the 5th. And see here, we are the first big multiple shooting in Jamaica that I can remember since the year start. As I said, last year down at the end of the year, we hear about 7 and 8 and 9, and I was thinking to myself, well, those numbers ease down. But then of course, as I said a couple of days ago, even though we're not hearing about those 7, 8 and 9s, we've already surpassed January 2019. So you know, say February 2020 is likely going to surpass February 2019. So here we are. Here we are. So make we see what the security forces are going to say. Make it hear what the MP them are going to say. Right? But of course the people will not be confident, and they shouldn't. The residents of this community will have absolutely no faith in whatever words are spoken after this. Right? Because actions speak louder than words, and the actions these men just demonstrated just show so them feel like them can turn up anywhere, anytime, and do anything to anybody. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment, and share the video. Bless.